In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to repost a story on Instagram, whether you're tagged in it or not. Let's start with the easiest situation, when you're tagged in a story. If someone mentions your username in a story, you can simply open their story and you will find the add to your story option. On that, you will also be automatically notified via a direct message. So open your DM. Here you want to look for the notification that says you were mentioned. Now tap on the message and tap on add this to your story option. Now the story will open in editing mode. From here you can customize it just like a normal story. You can resize the post, move it around, add stickers, text, emojis, or even music. Once you're happy with how it looks, tap on your story to share it. That's it. When you're tagged, reposting is quick and built right in. Now, if you are not mentioned in the story, then you won't see the repost option. So what you can do is take a screenshot or screen recording of the story. After that, tap on the plus icon, head over to your gallery and upload it as a new story. If you use this method, make sure to give credit to the original owner. Now, if you want to repost your own old story, then head over to your profile, tap on the menu icon at the top right corner. From here, tap on Archive. Now select the story you want, then tap on the Share icon. This lets you quickly repost any of your past stories without needing to re-upload them manually. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.